Hello and welcome back to Crafts with Note. My name is Crystal. Today I have a kind of a fun filming outfit on. This is a shirt that I made with my embroidery machine. I have a Brother PE 800 and this is a design that is from Urban Threads, and I thought it was kind of cute and funny with the cat with the glasses, and it has clear vinyl on that. But I'm wearing a t-shirt because I already worked all day today and I was wearing one of my homemade fancy dresses, the one that I just made with the tulips. And I wanted something comfy, but it is still a me-made make. So today we're going to talk about my plans video and what I'm going to kind of do for the month of April. I'm free-forming it a little bit this month. I'm not really a person who likes to have everything exactly laid out. For one, I think it makes you as a sewist beholden, like you have an agenda that you have to do like a job. And this is not my job yet, or at least I don't get paid for it yet. I would like to someday. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. But I just want to go over things that I'm thinking about and what I might do. So first things up is that I ordered my very first month of Thread Crate. If you don't know what Thread Crate is, it is a brand new subscription box for sewists. And it started, this is the 6-month anniversary box that's coming. It's my first one. And you choose your subscription now. There's a bunch of types. There is men's, kids, and regular, which is basically women's. And in each box you get sewing notions and a pattern and the thread and needles and the fabric. And then they're doing mini boxes now where you only get everything but the notions in case you've been sewing forever and you have every notion under the sun. And you can do that for all of them. So this month I'm just getting that one. And I know it's a maxi dress and I don't know anything else about it. And I know I chose jewel tones as my colors. So if that comes and it's something that I'm feeling, then I might make that up this month. But I want to see what it is. And I'll be doing a video showing you what I get in that box. And then I am going to have the men's crate coming soon in May, June, and July. As well as the women's crate May, June, and July, just to see what I like about it. So that's one thing I may or may not make. And then I had to go to Joann's the other day to get patterns. Of course, I went in for 2 or 3 and I came out with 5. And I went in for no fabric and I came out with some fabric. But you know, it's okay. Some of it was really new, cool stuff. I'm going to do a haul video to show you all of it. But some of it I'm going to make this month, hopefully, or I'm thinking about. So I'll show you those patterns now. One of them that I got is McCall's 6963. I don't know if anyone's made this pattern before. This is a Palmer Pletch fit pattern that gives you ways of fitting it really well to your body in the pattern. I've never made one of these Palmer Pletch fit ones before. And this is for knit fabrics, jersey knits, cotton knits, interlocks, and novelty knits. And it has a little bit of a drape neck, and I'll put a picture of this up there, and all these different sleeve options. And I thought it was kind of cool, different than just making the standard t-shirt, but I do need some tops and some shirts actually in my wardrobe. I don't have enough that I like or that fit well. I find, especially with store-bought t-shirts, that I'm so tall that they never are long enough on me. And so I wanted to make my own shirt. So then when I was at Joann's, they had this fabric. So this is a brand new fabric at Joann's. I think it's a double brush poly, but it was just labeled as a knit. And it is basically watercolored flowers painted on, not really painted on, printed, but that's what it looks like, is complete watercolor, and I love it. And it's white, and you can imagine if I hold it up to myself as a shirt, it's not like a plain color shirt, of which I have almost only plain colored, but it's nice and cool. So I also really like making knit dresses, stretchy dresses. They're comfortable for work, they still look pretty, and they sew up really fast, because as much as I love a woven dress, they take hours and days. And sometimes knit dresses, I can sew them up in a whole day. So I got a new pattern for that. I was looking for something a little more interesting than the other two have done. This one is McCall's 7349. And I will pop up a picture. This one is a raglan sleeve option shirt, or top of the dress. And there's options for color blocking because it's sort of, not really princess themed, but it has different pieces that go from all the way to the top to the bottom, and there's like 1, 2, and 3. I'll show you the line art. And so I thought that would be cool to try a new knit dress pattern. And then I have 3 stash fabrics that I would be willing to use for this, and I will show you those. So one I got from fabric.com, and I bought 5 or 6 yards of this when I got it because I made one out of it as a Christmas present for my sister. And I had enough left to make a dress for myself, and I thought it was really pretty. I like the black with the little arrows and the floral and the coloring. It's not the most springy dress, but you know, I don't care. I wear things in colors that I like all year round regardless, although I get motivated for different things. So I have this one as an option. At the same time that I bought that fabric, I also bought this one from fabric.com, and it's a much larger print fabric, and it's this nice raspberry color with like a mustard gold rose and a darker pink red rose. So this is another option. And the last one, and probably the most summery one, is this other one from fabric.com. This is a Marqueta Stengel Fabric Merchants fabric that I got for Christmas, and it's strawberries, blueberries, and mint leaves. And I think this one's really cool. It's the thinnest one, and it's also the most summery one, so maybe this would be great for a short sleeve dress. Fun and cute. What do you think? Which of the three fabrics should I use for that pattern? So what I'm holding here is a bag of all of my stretch laces and bra fabrics, not even all of them, and some of the findings kits that I have. And I was going through them last night to try to decide what bra or two that I want to make this month. I'm definitely having a goal of wanting to make at least a couple a month because I need bras and I want to work on the fits. Especially the Berkeley bra is the one for stretch lace. And I tried it on and like actually wore it, and it has some issues with the fit, so I want to dial that in. And then I ordered a ton of findings kits to match a lot of the fabrics I had from Bra Builders yesterday, so I'll show those when they come in. The one that I'm thinking that I might make is this lace here. It's a purple and blue stretch lace, like neon purple and blue. It's really neat. And I have a purple findings kit that's pretty much the same color. So I have everything I need to make this one, except for if I don't do the Berkeley bra, I would need to have some power net that matched, but otherwise it's stretchy, like I can still cover it. So pretty good. I don't have any matching power net, but everything else I have. And then the other ones, I did order stuff. So I'm gonna wait for my Bra Builders order to come in and just see what I'm feeling, but definitely have plans for some bras this month, trying to fit the Berkeley bra and the Boylston bra. There's a lot of gorgeous new patterns out, but I'm trying to hold off on buying anything until I get the ones I have kind of dialed in for fit, and then get new ones after I exhaust kind of using that. Haven't made enough yet to really flit around. Another thing I'd like to make this month involves a tutorial. In my March makes, I showed you that I made my Starbucks clip sleeve. And it kind of fits, but it sits a little high and it's not perfect. And so it slides out kind of easily, but I'm gonna show a tutorial this month on how to make your own really easily. Super easy leather working project if you're interested in getting started or doing something quick and simple and fun. So look for that. And I'm either gonna do it in the same pink leather, because I have some left of this, and this is all Badalassi Carlo Pueblo, or I have a olive green colored Pueblo leather that I might use for that as well. And these are like scrap pieces that I got, like not scrap, but like the small cuts and stuff that I got. So I might use that. And then I would really like to start my leather journal making tutorial this month too. And I have this gorgeous teal leather. This is also Badalassi Carlo Pueblo. I really like that leather. All from Rocky Mountain Leather Company. And this one is already in the right width and everything for making that leather journal cover. So that's something I would like to do this month as well. And the last thing I might mess with is that I got this really cool sweatshirting fabric, French terry from Joann's. Went the other night, and it's one that I had probably seen online and didn't think much of. They call it toast color, and I'll put up a picture. It should be arriving at the end of this week. And it is a mauvey brown, but then has this really cool like rose gold and gold like metallic shimmer on it. I don't have a sweatshirt pattern or a sweatshirting pattern at all in my stash. I don't like oversized baggy sweatshirts. I prefer kind of a more tailored fit. I don't have any pattern ideas, so if you have anything, let me know. And then the only other thing I might do is that there was this really beautiful fabric I had in the Friday Fabric Favorites that was this embroidered masher tulle from Joann's with all these sequins and peacocks, and it was gorgeous and expensive. And then last week they had it on sale for 60% off, and I got the stack a coupon for 20% off on it as well. So I splurged and I got 2 yards of it. I want to use the Cashmerette pattern Montrose top. That one's designed to be made out of entirely lace or embroidered tulle and be sheer or not. And I don't own the pattern yet. I'd have to buy that. So depending on what happens when that comes in, what I'm feeling with the fabric, I might try that this month. But otherwise, that's what I'm feeling. What are you going to make this month? Please let me know in the comments. And if you like my videos, please remember to subscribe and like and comment. I'll see you next time. Bye.